Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lotus Biscoff Basque Cheesecake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl. Into your mixing bowl, place your room temperature soft cheese, making sure it's room temperature as this will work best. Then go ahead and add in your granulated sugar and whisk until they are well combined. You're looking for the sugar to be almost dissolved within the cheese mixture, so just keep whisking until that is achieved. It doesn't need to be perfect, but the more you do now, the less you have to do later on. Then add in both of your eggs and not forgetting to add in your vanilla and just whisk until they are fully incorporated. You will notice a change in the consistency, but it should become smoother and glossier, which is also a good sign that you're on the right tracks. Then you can go ahead and add in the Biscoff spread, which I've warmed a little bit in the microwave just to help it incorporate a little easier. Feel free to melt it completely if you wanted to. Not forgetting to add in the flour. Then whisk until it's fully incorporated. You'll notice that the mixture does thicken up and it becomes a more browny beige colour. This is what you're looking for. Then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so don't forget to scrape the top and the bottom of the bowl, but there shouldn't be too much as we work with this mixture quite well. Grab yourself a 6-inch cake tin which has been lined with parchment paper, then pour all of your Basque cheesecake mixture into there, jiggle it around a little bit, but then you can go ahead and place it into your preheated oven and bake it off. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which you will be able to find the links down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. And then for me, this was the next day, so I baked the cheesecake, I let it cool, then I chilled in the fridge as it's much easier to cut when it's been cooled and firmed up. Cut it into 6 pieces, or as many or as few as you would like. I went with 6, that's just what I was going for, as this gives a generous enough portion without being too much or too little. But again, really make it to suit you. But here's what it looks like up close. If you know Basque cheesecake, you just know what to expect. It's got that perfect consistency and taste. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.